Welcome to Maple Toyota. From the moment you walk through our doors, you'll notice the difference. The space is open, the atmosphere is welcoming, and our team is focused on making your experience seamless from start to finish. You're greeted right away by our reception team, ready to guide you whether you're here for sales, service, parts, or just have a question. Step into our showroom, where Toyota innovation takes center stage. From efficient sedans to versatile SUVs, powerful trucks, and advanced hybrid models, you can explore with confidence. Our team is here to guide you, answer your questions, and help you find the right vehicle for your lifestyle. If you're spending time with us, we've made sure you're comfortable. Our customer lounge and cafe offer fresh coffee, comfortable seating, complimentary Wi-Fi, and freshly prepared food. Interested in electrified driving? Our dedicated EV lounge gives you a closer look at Toyota's hybrid and electric lineup. Learn about charging, efficiency, and what ownership really looks like in a space built for the future of mobility. Behind the scenes, our Toyota-certified technicians work in a state-of-the-art service center, delivering expert care at every visit. Our parts center carries genuine Toyota parts and accessories designed specifically for your vehicle. Every department, every interaction, every visit. At Maple Toyota, everything we do is built around one simple promise. Make it easy. Make it Maple. We look forward to welcoming you.